Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DDD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out in this situation a pretty logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that it was flirting down here on several occasions and then managed to get itself all the way back up there to close right there, from that point of view, any rational person would say, yeah, that was definitely a very nice bounce on the day. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at, let's see, what is that? $8.25. Why is $8.25 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, so a bounce that's actually a true bounce, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming I insult your intelligence when I say that. So think about that. If the price were to go down to $8.25 and then just continue on down, at that point in time, from a very literal perspective, you would literally have the price, right back to where it was. And again, that's just not a sign of true strength or power or anything like that. Whereas if the price were to go down, however, in this situation, behave in that manner before starting to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows right there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase progress as, again, $8.25. What about levels of resistance going into Thursday? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward right now. Key level to keep an eye on is going to be right up there at $8.77 on two separate occasions, both during the first 30 minutes right there and then this afternoon. Price tried to get above it, couldn't quite do it. So there's clearly some sellers up around there, so keep an eye on that. All in all, though, interesting movement today, great bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this bounce going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.